Yeah.
Come on,
Slow it down.
ओ एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी, अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी। एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी, अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी। ओ तेरे दिल के इशारे ये तो पढ़ने लगी, लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी। ओ मुंडा जिद पे अड़ा, ओ तेरे पीछे पड़ा। ओ मुंडा जिद पे अड़ा।
thank you. So good to see you all here. Thank you. Hi, Shubhangi. How are you? Give me a thumbs up. Yes. Great. So as I said yesterday also that energy is something which differentiate you from others. Yes. So I will be opening the group, the Inner Radiance group. Please type in there, ready to be bigger. I'll be putting daily a different healing music. 7:50 a.m. It will be on. Switch off the light. Make it like calmer for yourself. Take it. It's like a knife. Consider it as a knife, and imagine yourself in your own chest, in your own heart. When you keep pressing this knife again and again, remembering all the problems of your life, what happens is like, ouch. Like if we are expanding the problem and not containing it, it actually starts to make us feel that we are the one who have been suffering and everyone else around is enjoying. So I would like to say here is, whenever in life you are, coming in contact with any problem, today why I am here is I want to bring a change in your mindset that problems in life equals to opportunity of growth. I'm sure many of you would not agree to me right now, but as we will move forward, I will try to make you understand why I'm saying so. Since many years, I was doing everything, but somewhere I was like, disconnected from my own self. Whenever I used to say to my husband in the evening that, I'm so tired. And he was like, but, I've always been blessed with all the, facilities around, be having a cook, having a maid. So there was not like too much of work for me, work. The only thing was the kids were around and hi, Suchitra. Hi, good morning. Good to see you here. You can
Good
switch on your
morning, ma'am.
camera. You can. It's always good, to see lovely faces in the morning.
Thank you
Thank you
so
for
much,
switching
ma'am.
on. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
So, आप लोग night suit में हो, nighty में doesn't really matter. We are all, own people here. All comfort. Yes. Kapila, I would love to see your lovely face. Shambhavi is saying that she's moving around, so I'm like, okay. So yes, so there we were. So I always tell it to my community people that growth always happens in chaos and not in stability. जो आपका एक चल रहा है बहुत दिन से, it's always that the pain of growth. So the best way to come out of this overthinking, over analysis is engaging yourself in actions. Good guys? Yeah. So आप देखोगे fears का क्या है? मेरे बच्चे हैं, I have been seeing that initially the way my thing was कि पढ़ो, मेरा एक बेटा है class 6 में now, बेटी is in class 2. So I was like always after them. So I also realized this that, right? अगर आप fruits लगाओगे, vegetables लगाओगे, cereals लगाओगे, it will give you that return. So हमारा जो ये mind है, it's in our hand. हम उसके अंदर क्या डालते हैं, right? So the first thing I gave you opportunity of growth. हम क्लास 6 में होते हैं या और हम क्लास 2 में होते हैं, तो आप ये सोचो जब हम क्लास 2 में हैं और हम क्लास 4 की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना चाहें, how will it be? Will it be tough or will it be easy? So when we evolve, we start to focus on evolving rather than solving. Our all problems starts to dissolve itself. So आज the mantra is The major mantra is, that is your biggest affirmation for today. Write it in big bold letters that आप इवॉल्व कर लोगे, दूसरे लेवल की प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगी. यू विल इवॉल्व योरसेल्फ इवन मोर to get that problem solved. It is a life, it is a cycle, it is a a circle also. तो हम लोग जितना ग्रो करेंगे, कोई ना कोई challenges आते रहेंगे, and challenges are good. Challenges are good because they teach us to come out of this stuck life. They teach us to grow in our life. This happened, that happened, why me, and why everybody is, torturing me. So this is the third stage, is we get into frustration. Then comes the fourth stage, we starts to being angry. These five stages I have crossed in my life because I had been thinking about myself कि it's okay, अभी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, maybe something is there. So I was not focusing inside, I was focusing outside, so with lots of hope कि with time people will change for me, things will change for me, and I will start to feel better. So that was the hope which consistently stayed there for a very. So restlessness शुरू हो गया, restlessness के बाद frustration शुरू हो गई, and फिर वही frustration used to bring out anger on those young babies, small kids, which are like just with those who only understand the language of love and kindness. सो जब हम वेट करते हैं, क्योंकि इनिशियली क्या होता था, मुझे लगता था मेरे हस्बैंड ये नहीं करते इसलिए मैं दुखी हूँ, वो मुझे उनका ये टाइम फ्रेम जो है वो मुझे मिलना चाहिए, नहीं मिल रहा है, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम इरिटेटेड एंड टायर्ड. ही विल डू समथिंग फॉर मी to make me feel better. My mom-in-law will do something for me to make me feel well. That was all wrong because I understood three important W's. Do write it, guys. Three W's. What are they? We get into worrying first, worrying zone. The first W is worrying. Worrying, and then second comes waiting, that things will become fine. And the third thing is wanting someone else to change. अगर ये three W's आप अपनी life में कहीं से भी importance दे रहे हो, so how many of you are going to promise me today, or rather, I would say, promise to your own self today that your problems are not going to bring you down, but your problems are going to take you up? Do you promise? Promise to your own self. Promise me too. Yeah. Give me thumbs up, guys. Give me a PP, pakka promise. Give me, yes, PP. Give me, I would make it short for you. PP, pakka promise, pinky promise, my daughter says. So I would also say pat your back, everyone. Pat your back, switch on the camera and pat your back. Why? Because you are exactly doing that. When you are sitting in this room, it tells me a lot about you, that you are serious for your growth. You really want to bring that change in your life. So expand your hand and say, I am powerful. I am powerful. I am powerful. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath and see when you are ready, come back. Pooja is saying she's feeling clarity of thoughts. The day you will understand what this problem is teaching me, your problem will dissolve. हम लोगों को क्या होता है, क्यों बार बार एक ही पैटर्न होते हैं? पर थप्पड़ क्यों बोल रही हूँ मैं, क्योंकि मैं इसको एक प्रॉब्लम से कंपेयर कर रही हूँ. सो एवरी टाइम अ प्रॉब्लम कम्स, इट्स लाइक यूनिवर्स इज नजिंग यू, गिविंग यू स्मॉल स्मॉल नजेस. क्या होता है कि जब आपको देखते हैं कि आप लेसन लर्न नहीं कर रहे हो, हम लेसन लर्न नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो एक दिन क्या आता है, यूनिवर्स इज लाइक heating up their hands, and there's like patak tadaka. Give me a big smile and keep smiling the entire day. And that challenge is related to the same concept as I said yesterday. We are going to enhance our power. Give some time, 20 minutes of your day, and do it. I will be also I'm not sure because that's a huge group. I can make a separate group, whoever is joining.